Mga kaibigan, welcome back. Etong balita po natin ngayon, ex-NBA player nagsalita na 2 Pinoy daw ang nakikita niya at pinangalanan pa niya na pwedeng maging NBA player. Quincy Miller, ang dating NBA player na naglaro sa iba't ibang NBA teams at naglaro overseas mga kaibigan, kabilang na po ang Converge dito sa PBA noong 2022 at ngayon dito na siya maglalaro sa Talk and Text kapalit po ni Ron J. Hollis Jefferson. Nagkaroon po ito ng exclusive interview kahapon sa Power and Play ni Sir Nolly Ayala. Maraming salamat po. Kung saan natanong po dito ni Sir Nolly si Quincy about sa PBA kung sino ang player na nakalaro niya dito na pinakatumatak sa kanya na maaaring maging international player o maging NBA player. At ito po ang mismong sinabi ni Quincy Miller.
Back a little bit about the PBA. When you talk about guys that you've played here, played against with and played with, who really strikes you as maybe a guy who's ready to become an international player, an NBA player, in fact?
An NBA player from the PBA, or
yeah.
Honestly, a guy that sticks out to me that I'm playing with right now is Calvin. Calvin, I know he played on the national team. Not only is he just a special player, he always has a positive attitude, man. He's always a good guy, and it's contagious, you know. And like I said, he's always ready to play. Every day he comes in and work hard and score the ball.
Nagulat naman ako doon mga kaibigan, first time ko nadinig ang pangalan ni Calvin Abueva dito sa usapang NBA. Sa bagay, kakaiba naman po talaga yung puso at energy maglaro ng player na ito. Kung ito nga lang mga kaibigan para sa akin, 6'8 hanggang 6'10 si Calvin, 100% para sa akin nasa NBA na yan. At eto PBA po ang tanong dito kay Quincy Miller, pero may dinagdag pa po siyang isang player, si Kai Sotto, at sinabi pa niya ang 2 bagay na kulang kay Kai. Eto, pakinggan po natin mismo ang buong sinabi niya.
The one guy that just sticks out to me as well is Kai Sotto. I think that if he just becomes a little bit more aggressive, he could definitely be in the NBA.
Oh, that's interesting.
Yeah, for sure. But yeah, those 2 guys that stick out to me that could definitely be NBA players.
When you talk about Kai Sotto, of course, our youngster, what do you think is lacking with him at this time?
Right now, for me, it's just experience and just being more aggressive. I think that if he was more aggressive and tried to do more, he would do more. But other than that, I don't see no issues with him that much, you know.
Well,
so yan mga kaibigan, NBA player na nagsabi niyan at drafted pa yan sa NBA, ilang taon pa naglaro doon. Si Kai Sotto, nakikita niya na konting aggressiveness lang makakapasok ito sa NBA, which is nakikita ko rin na tama talaga mga kaibigan. Kailangan talaga samahan ni Kai ng diin, gigil, angas at aggressiveness ang laro niya. Mas malaki po talaga ang magiging chance niya dito sa NBA. Kaya doon sa mga bumabatikos kay Kai, sana maunawaan niyo mga kaibigan, yung mga sinasabi niyo po ay hindi tama. Talagang yung mga may alam lang talaga sa basketball ang makakakita na talagang may chance si Kai at malaki ang chance ni Kai dito sa NBA, lalo na kapag na-improve pa niya yung laro niya.